Welcome to mathematics class. So we were discussing about formation of equivalent fractions and verifying whether they are greater than or equal or greater than and smaller, and also formation of equivalent fractions with given denominator and given numerator. So let us solve some more examples of the same. We'll have question number 6 of the page number 22 from the 7.4 exercise. Let me take an example of is 5 upon 9 equal to 4 upon 5? Is 5 upon 9 equal to, we have to verify whether, indicate whether the 5 upon 9 equal to 4 upon 5, question mark. So what to do first? We have to write 5 upon 9, the given fractions, and 4 upon 5. Here we are not justifying or indicating which is correct, which is bigger and which is smaller. But how to come to know which is bigger and which is smaller? First we have to make the denominators the same by equalizing the denominators of the given fractions by removing the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 9 and 5 is 9 into 5, gives you 9 5s are 45. So let us take the 45 as denominator. So 9 5s are 45. So 9 into 5. We have to multiply with the numerator with the given factor, with this factor. Then 5 9s are, we have to multiply the 4 with this factor. That gives us the value of fraction with the denominator 45. So 5 5s are 25. And one more fraction, 9 4s are 36. Now we got the fractions both with the same denominator. Here we have 25 upon 45 and 36 upon 45. Now we can clearly say, easily say the 36 upon 45 is greater than 25 upon 45. That means 4 upon 5 is greater than 5 upon 9. But they are not equal. So we can say they are not equal. Means 5 upon 9 is not equal to 4 upon 5. One more example. Is 1 upon 15 equal to 4 upon 30? With the same method, solution. We have the fractions 1 upon 50 and 4 upon 30. To make the denominators equal denominators, we have to find out the LCM of 15 and 30. So the factors are 5 3s are 5 6s are. Then 3 1s are 3 2s are. Let us multiply these given factors. 5 into 3 into 1 into 2. 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30 is the LCM of both the denominators. So 30, we have to form this LCM as denominators. So 15 into 2 is 30 and 30 into 1 is 30. So 2 1s are 2 and another one 4 1s are 4 upon 30. Now we can easily decide as which is bigger, whether they are equal, and which is smaller. Here 2 upon 30 is smaller than 4 upon 30. Means 1 upon 15 is smaller than 4 upon 30. But they are not equal. They are not equal. The given fractions are not equal. Now question number 8 from the page number 22 of the 7.4. We have the problem sums on depending on the fractions. Ira reads 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita reads 2/5 of the same book containing 100 pages. Who reads less? So means we have to follow the same method as now did. So let me write the content in the form of fraction. First we have to write the contents in the form of fraction. So how much Ila reads in the form of fraction is 25 pages. Out of how many that book was containing? 100. So let me make it a small fraction. Means 25 ones are 25 ones are 25 fours are gives you 1/4. So we have to minimize the given fraction. Now Lalita reads the same book. Read by Lalita. How many pages? She also reads 2/5 of the same book into 100. Means 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 zeros are. So 20 into 2, 40 pages. Here we have 1/4 as the fraction. So how to get the pages? 1/4 of 100 pages means, again we can format 1/4 of 100 pages. 4 ones are 4 25s are. Means 25 pages. Now who reads more here? Who reads less? Ila reads less and Lalita reads more. Therefore, Ila reads less. Problem sum number 9. Rafiq exercised for 3/6 of an hour. Rafiq, how much he does exercise? 3/6 of an hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. Means how many hours he makes the exercises? 3/6 into 60. Now let us reduce it. 6 ones are 6 tens are. So 10 into 3 gives you 30. 30 minutes. Now Rohit does exercise. How much? 3/4 of an hour. 3/4 of 1 hour is 60 minutes. Means 3/4 into 60 minutes. Here also we have to make reduction. Here 4 ones are 2 remains. 4 5s are 20. So 15 3s are 45 minutes. Here question is, who exercised for a longer time? We can see clearly 30 minutes and 45 minutes. Rafiq does 30 minutes and Rohit 45 minutes. We can easily say Rafiq exercised more, longer time. Longer. Last problem, 10th. Problem number 10. In a class of A, class A of how many students? 25 students. Class A was containing 25 students. Out of 25, 20 passed with 60%. So 20 students out of 25 passed with 60%. And in another class of B of 30 students and 24 were passed. 24 students passed out of 30 students. Also scored the same score, 60% score. So let me minimize the fractions. 5 into 4 and 5 5s gives you 4 upon 5. Here also you have to minimize the fraction. 6 4s are 6 5s are. Here also we got 4 upon 5 as the fraction. So from A class also and B class also the students scored 60% are equal. We can say therefore class A students going to score equally. They are not greater. Both class A and class B scored equally. Scored equally 60%. So like this you have to solve all the problems of 7.4. Thank you. Have nice times.